Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a backpack. And for this backpack right here, it's not like a regular backpack, but it definitely has like a vintage design on here. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. But I should open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. When you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So if you guys fully open it up, this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully open up. You can see it definitely have a very nice design on here. And then for this part here, for the strap option, this is magnetic. So let's open it up. It definitely have a very strong magnet on here. So right here we do have the brand logo, and then right here we do have a zipper compartment, and we have one here and one here as well. Let me actually open up all of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So for the first compartment right here, it's definitely very spacious. If you guys put your hand inside right here, you can definitely put like power banks, if you guys want to put cell phones, or if you guys want to put like passport or whatever, you can definitely put anything inside right here. And if you guys want to get this backpack to use for school or something, you can definitely put like your pencils or pen inside here as well. And inside right here and this side as well, they do have two side pockets. So if you guys open up, it's gonna be hard for me to show you guys, but it's definitely a pretty spacious pocket inside right here. So you definitely put like a water bottle or something inside right here. If you see inside right here, they do have a stretchable option inside right here. So that way when you guys put your water bottle inside right here, you can definitely strap it in, which is definitely pretty cool. If you open the other one on the other side, alright, so I'm not sure if it's see or not, but it's basically the same thing. So they do have a big open gap inside right here, and they do have a little strap option. So that way you guys can strap the water or whatever you guys can put inside right here to actually hold it in place. So those are all the different pockets that's on here. And if the top part right here, if you can see inside right here, it's definitely very spacious. So if you want to put like your laptop inside right here, you definitely can. Especially because of the way how to design the inside right here. They do have those strap options. So that way if you guys want to put your laptop inside right here and strap in, you definitely can. Let me actually put my laptop inside to show you guys what I mean. So we got my laptop right here. So I pull off the strap part right here and just put my laptop inside. So you can see we do have a laptop inside right here. So basically I use the strap option right here to actually hold it back in place. So once we have inside right here, I'm not sure if it's here or not, but it definitely does work. And basically the laptop that we have right here is a 16-inch laptop. So it definitely feels like a 16-inch laptop in here, and you probably feel like a little bigger one as well. But definitely when we actually open up this part right here, it's actually very spacious. So you definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And if you guys look at the inside right here, there's actually a zipper compartment inside. This part right here is definitely very spacious as well. So if you guys want to put like a phone or a passport or something inside right here, basically anything that's around the same size as the phone, then you can definitely put it inside right here. And then inside this part right here, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video or not, but they do have a little cable. And basically what this cable is for is so that we essentially plug it into a power bank. You can definitely plug the other cable on the other side right here to charge like a phone or something else. So if you guys want to use that zipper compartment inside right here to put your power bank, you can definitely do that on here to keep everything all organized. And also I just realized for the laptop compartment right here, they do have a little compartment inside right next to it. So that way if you guys want to put like an iPad next to it, you definitely can. So right here. And then for this part right here, you can see we do have a sealing option. So if you guys want to tighten up, you can definitely do that on here. And then once you guys are done, you can basically use this magnetic part right here to actually close back up. And that is basically what the inside part looks like right there. If we turn it to the back part here, this is basically actually looks like the back part right here. It definitely has like that mesh material on here, so that way the product is breathable. And that way you guys also get that comfort on here once you guys put it on. But you see right here, we do have the option for you guys to actually carry around if you guys want to. And then for the bottom part right here and right here, they do give you guys the option to actually adjust it if you guys need to. And if you guys look at the bottom part right here, that's what actually looks like the bottom part right here. So that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Let me actually test out the USB option first before I actually put it on. I basically want to actually take off this cable right here, so that way I actually can plug it onto my power bank. Alright, so the cable is definitely pretty long. I want to plug into my power bank that we got right here. And then once we got it in, I basically want to put this power bank inside the bag. Or if you guys want to put this inside that zipper compartment that I show you guys, you can definitely do that as well. Alright, so we got it inside that zipper compartment. I want to seal it back up. And then let's close this part up. So we got it all sealed up, and we also got the power bank set up as well. So basically for the other side right here, we will actually plug it into our device. Alright, so you see it definitely does work. So if you guys want to actually hold your phone while charging it, you can definitely do that on here. Or if you guys want to put it inside your pocket, you can definitely actually put it inside the pocket in the back right here as well. But basically once you guys fully set it up, this is basically what it looks right here. So I actually put this on to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you actually put it on, this actually looks like in the front part right here. If we turn it to the other side, this is basically actually looks like on the other side right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And definitely once you actually put it on the back right here, it actually feels really nice as well. It definitely has that high quality mesh material on here to give you guys that all day comfort. It also makes the product breathable as well, which is definitely pretty nice. But you see once you put it on, this is basically what the product looks right here. But definitely really cool how she give you guys this option right here. So if you guys want to plug it right here while you guys are using phone, you definitely have the option on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now the unboxing and testing product. Not the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the backpack here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality backpack that has the same design on here, then I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.